The Sony Xperia VII, anticipated for release in mid-2025, represents Sony's commitment to delivering a premium smartphone experience. Expected to feature a 6.5-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, it promises smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Under the hood, the device is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, ensuring robust performance for multitasking and demanding applications. The camera system is set to include a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens, with rumors suggesting a significant upgrade to a 70 to 200mm telephoto zoom range, enhancing its photographic capabilities. Powering the Xperia VII is a 5000 mAh battery, supporting 33W fast charging, 30W wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, catering to various charging needs. Additionally, the device is expected to retain the 3.5mm headphone jack, a rarity in modern flagships, appealing to audiophiles. With an anticipated price point exceeding $1,400, the Xperia VII is poised to be a formidable contender in the high-end smartphone market.